पर्सनली तो आज तक मैंने कन्फ्रंट तो नहीं किया, लेकिन एक बात हमेशा रहती है जहाँ पे हमें अगर हमें फंड्स इकट्ठा करना हो तो वो काफ़ी मुश्किल रहता है, बिकॉज यू हैव टू इन्वॉल्व अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, you have to meet a lot of people and hope that they will also join in your cause. But I think that is the only I have confronted. But otherwise, in today's day and age, there are a lot of people, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कुछ करना चाहते हैं अपने सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने अपने लोगों को के लिए. तो आई थिंक वैसे तो आज काफ़ी जो माइंड सेट है काफ़ी कुछ चेंज हुआ है. सो आई थिंक एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू डू समथिंग इन वॉट एवर कैपेसिटी. कई लोगों को डर लगता है कि क्या करे, कैसे करे, अगर हम करें तो पता नहीं लोग क्या कहेंगे. बट आई थिंक दैट माइंड सेट अभी चेंज हो रहा है, एंड एवरीबडी इज कमिंग फॉरवर्ड to give us a helping hand. Right. Firstly, charity is never spoken about. It's a very personal matter. It's a very personal issue. I don't believe in standing on my rooftop and screaming out, shout and aloud that, guess what, I do charity, and guess what, you do charity. I think charity is a very personal equation. Like we say, charity starts at home. It starts with your immediate, your help in the house, the people who work for you. That is where you have to actually display a certain amount of charity. And if at all you do, you believe in a cause, or you believe in a certain way of going about life and bringing about a change in your society and your environment, that alone is something that you're doing, which is charity. So I don't think I am in a position to sit down over here and tell you how much you should be doing or what you should be doing and in how much capacity. It's something that comes from within. If you feel for it, then you should do it. It's your good deed for the day. I'd like to add that Taiwan Excellence has been doing a lot over the years. This is not the first year. We've been at it for the last 3 years. There have been various programs that we have, that they've taken about. This time was just a step forward, a step into the future, where we felt that you have to do something with a little more meaning, and that's why we have the Taiwan's Excellence Cares, because this time some of the products that there are on display that they are promoting are products which genuinely, take care of people, whether it is their wheelchairs, whether it is, that's what they are focusing on. So I think it's an onward progress. It's a growth of Taiwan Excellence from the day one that we started until day to day, which I think is a great feat by itself. I think I do a pretty good job at managing my personal and professional life. I don't bring my professional life back home. I leave that at the doorstep. Before I ring the doorbell, I leave it outside. And once I'm inside the house, then it's all about my personal life. And I don't mix the two, so I somehow manage to strike that balance. Always maintain that this is nothing new. I think I've been part of this business long enough, and I've always said our family really enjoys every festival with the same amount of fervor. There's never anything that, we're not celebrating this or we're not celebrating that, whether it is Ganesh Chaturthi, whether it is Christmas, whether it's Diwali, whether it's Dashera, whether it's Eid, whether it's Holi, you name it, we celebrate all festivals. So we definitely look forward to each and every festival because it's celebrated with a lot of love and care. So we look forward.